Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to interact with and subscribe to ABC's online compliance calendar. To get to the calendar, simply open up the latest email blast for compliance matters. As you can see, I have one open here. And if you scroll down to the article about what's happening this month, there's a link for our interactive compliance calendar. Click the link to open the calendar on ABC's website. As you can see, we have lots and lots of activities, reminders, and events happening. You can scroll through each month to see that month's activities. You can also search for specific events. You can see that we have 3 Pop Month events happening in February. You can also change the view for your calendar from Pinboard to Agenda to Monthly, depending on which you prefer. You'll notice that several of these have some additional information within them. For example, if you click on National Employee Appreciation, there's a link that takes you to an article about 15 ways to celebrate your employees, something that we thought you'd find interesting. To get back to the calendar, simply click the back link in the top left. Here's another one, Spring Begins. We thought this would be a good time to revisit an article about reviewing your policies and procedures manual and taking a look at all the wonderful resources that ABC has to offer. And the back button will take you back to this page. You can also get to this calendar by going directly to abcop.org, clicking the magnifying glass, and doing the search for Compliance Calendar. The second choice is the one we want. And here you go. 2 ways to get there. We'd also like to show you how to subscribe to the calendar so that you can see all these great events happening on your own personal calendars. For desktop, simply click the link to subscribe. This will bring up a dialog box that will show you all the calendars that you can add to. If it's not listed here, the one that you're using, click Other to add in the web calendar of your choice. Simply follow the directions for each one, and you're all set. To subscribe via your mobile device, you can do that as well. You'll see I've opened mine here, and I've gone to the article and clicked the link. It's a little bit different of a view. There is no subscribe link directly. You click on the magnifying glass here, and that opens up and gives you a link, green button to subscribe. Simply do that. It auto-populates the calendar URL. You click subscribe, modify anything that you want, and click Add. And that's it. We encourage you to subscribe to the calendar to help keep your compliance going year-round. If you have anything you'd like us to include on the calendar, or if you have any questions, please contact us at marketing@abcop.org. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.